Hello students of ninth class. Today we'll discuss about the topic sound. It is a lesson of physics ninth class CBSE. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will discuss a vibration of tuning fork. Tuning fork is this like shape. Okay, जैसे आपका चिमटा होता है, चिमटा थोड़ा ज़्यादा फ्लेक्सिबल होता है, but it is a hard. The vibrating prongs of a tuning fork act as a source of alternating compression and rarefaction. Means when we strike on hard surface like here, this type, then these prongs can vibrate it, go here and there. Okay, when they move this side like here, then they collect or compress the air, that is called compression, and they comes back in original position that rarefaction formed. Okay, when the tuning fork is stuck against a hard rubber bed, tuning fork begins to vibrate. It will start to vibrate like this. This is mean position. When this go, start compression, again this point. Okay. Tuning fork marked with 256, 384 or 512. Okay. What is the meaning of this writing? 512 means produces 256 vibration per second, or in other words, its frequency is 512 hertz. Means 250 is here and 250 is here. That is 512 hertz frequency. Okay. Next. Now we'll prove sound needs a medium to travel. Okay. Sound needs a medium to travel to the source of the for the source to listener. Means here it is source of sound, that is medium by which sound go through, it listener means observer, it listen. Okay, now how sound travels? Medium, the matter through which sound is transmitted is called a medium. जिसमें sound आपकी transmit हो, transfer हो, that is called medium. Medium can be solid, liquid, gas. Okay, now speed of sound is maximum in solids, less in liquids and very less in gases. सॉलिड में मैक्सिमम है, लिक्विड में उससे कम और गैसेस में सबसे कम है. साउंड कैन नॉट ट्रेवल थ्रू वैक्यूम. ओके, नाउ वी डू एक्टिविटी. इट इज ए ग्लास जार, ओके, इन विच वी फिट इलेक्ट्रिक बेल. by vacuum we remove all the air and this is connected with battery. Okay, when we touch switch, then what will happen? Let's discuss. When the switch is closed, sound of the bell is not heard. Let the air be removed from the jar with the help of a vacuum pump. Loudness sound slowly decreases. Vacuum pump हवा निकाल दी तो इसका मीडियम क्या होगा? कम हो जाएगा. Sound decreases and the air is removed. All the air removed and no sound is heard. When we remove all the air from vacuum, no sound is heard. Why? Because it does not medium, do not have medium, and sound cannot reach through space because there is vacuum in space. Okay, means medium is necessary for transfer of sound. Now characteristics of wave. First of all, wavelength, distance traveled by the wave during the time in which any particle of medium completes one vibration about the mean position, that is called wavelength. Okay, or the distance between two consecutive rarefaction or between two consecutive compression. Bar diagram is clear. Here like it completes one oscillation here. Okay, that is called wavelength. Or here means two compression and these are two rarefaction distance. Okay, wavelength is denoted by lambda, as unit is meter, smaller units nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. Now amplitude, maximum displacement of a particle of a medium from which its mean position during the propagation of four longitudinal waves, means that is the mean position. When this go there, that is the amplitude. This like amplitude. Okay, Now AB is the amplitude here that you see this much denoted by A. SI unit is meter. Greater the amplitude, greater the energy of the wave. Okay. Now time period. Time required to complete one cycle of wave is called time period. Means how much time is complete one cycle, that is called time period only. Or time taken to complete one oscillation, that is also called time period. Oscillation, here see diagram. From O to A or A to B, that is called one oscillation. Now frequency, number of cycle per second. Frequency denoted by mu बोलते हैं इसको. Number of vibration in 1 second. Okay, the frequency of unit is hertz. Now wave velocity, distance covered by wave in 1 second. Units are meter per second. Simple. Now relation between time period and frequency. Frequency equal to 1 by time period, means that is equal to 1 by t. Also frequency also denoted by f or n. Okay. And relation between wave velocity, frequency and wavelength, that is this equal to this much into lambda. Okay students, next lecture we will discuss next topic. Till then stay with us.